Okay, we're here today to just do a super quick overview of how to do an introduction and a conclusion for your essay. So what I'm going to do is just do a bit of a visual representation of what your essay will look like. So let's pretend that this here is your paragraphs. Okay, so that's paragraph 1. We've got paragraph 2 happening here. And then let's just keep this nice and short and have this as a three paragraph body. So we have 3 paragraphs here, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3 in our body. Now obviously we need to have an introduction before that and a conclusion after that. Now when we write a good paragraph, part of our paragraph structure that we do is that we actually have a topic sentence here, and we have a concluding sentence at the end of each paragraph. So I'm just going to put those in different colours there to just visually represent the fact that each of those paragraphs has a topic sentence, which is the straight line, and a concluding sentence, which is our wiggly line at the bottom there. So that's paragraphs 1 and 2. And let's go number 3 here. Got a topic sentence and a concluding sentence there as well. Let's pretend that that's a little bit more wiggly than it actually is. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Something like that. But just enough that you can see that we have a topic sentence and a concluding sentence, a topic sentence and a concluding sentence, and a topic sentence and a concluding sentence for each of our 3 body paragraphs there. So the easiest way to write your introduction, if you're not very good at introductions, is to actually figure out what your body paragraphs are going to be first. And then this gives you a nice way to actually put these together and come up with your introduction. So essentially all you have to do then is to take each of your topic sentences, see if I can remember the right colours that I used here, and put them together to form your introduction. And of course, like every other paragraph, your introduction needs to have a topic sentence and a concluding sentence. But the body, the internal of the paragraph of your introduction there, is just basically made up of each of your topic sentences 1, 2, and 3, like that. Now obviously you don't want to have them verbatim, you don't want them word for word, you want to rephrase them so that they flow together nicely and are fluent, but the basic idea is the same. And the same thing goes for your conclusion. And while you want to have a topic sentence for your conclusion and a concluding sentence for your conclusion, because it's a paragraph just like any other paragraph, so it needs to have that good paragraph structure, you can use your concluding sentences from each of your paragraphs to come up with the guts of that conclusion there. And again, obviously, we just want to rephrase those and not take them word for word. We don't want to just copy and paste, but the idea is there. So we take, let's use a different colour here just to make sure that that's clear. We'll do this one in grey. So we take our concluding sentences from each of our 3 paragraphs and we put them together to form our conclusion. C for conclusion. Okay. Oop, that's a C. And we take our topic sentences from each of our 3 body paragraphs, 1, 2, and 3, and we put them together up here to form our introduction. And then remember, we need to have a topic sentence and a concluding sentence for our introduction, and then a topic sentence and a concluding sentence for our conclusion. And if you think about the overall structure of the essay, then this topic sentence here in red, this one here, is going to function like your topic sentence for the essay as a whole. And this concluding sentence down the bottom here, the concluding sentence of your conclusion, is going to function as your concluding sentence for the essay as a whole as well. So you want to be able to see very clearly from your introduction what your key arguments will be. This is my thesis for my essay, my entire point. Here are my 3 key arguments that I'll make, and then sum that up. And then you elaborate on each of those key arguments. So we have argument 1 in pink, we have argument 2 in blue, we have argument 3 in green, and then we have our conclusion, where we have a topic sentence again, which is often just restating our thesis. And then we have concluding sentences pink, blue, and green, and then a nice concluding sentence for the essay as a whole. And that's just one way of visually demonstrating how you can put together an introduction and a conclusion just based on your key points from the body of your essay.